guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing well today. Let me know how you feel. Is it good? Is it bad? If you're good, then I'm good. Apparently, the Tab P12 Pro, Lenovo Tab P12 Pro has been listed on the Google Play console. And let me tell you this, it already has been labeled as a Tab S8 competitor. Believe it or not, it is an interesting choice to make, I think, because there are not many choices out there when it comes to Android tablet. Well, let me rephrase. There aren't many good choices out there when it comes to Android tablets. And let me disagree with the statement right away. Yes, I'm gonna be the one, and it doesn't matter if you call me a fanboy or whatever your comments say. No, I'm gonna disagree with that statement. It is not a Tab S8 competitor. It can't be, and this is purely related on my experience with devices. Just press and hold the power button until tablet turns off. Press and hold the volume plus, volume minus at the same time. Then press the power button while still holding the volume plus, volume minus to turn on the tablet. Select wipe data, factory reset, and then step number 5, select hard reset info reboot system now. I don't know, I want to go through this stuff, honestly. Now think about it. Who in the right mind wants to encounter constant issues when they open up their devices, when they press the power button? I can already see and hear people screaming. Yes, you. I know you probably work for Lenovo. You love Lenovo, but hear me out. Before you say, yeah, it's a faulty device you have there, you need to exchange it. And then other people say, well, you don't know what you're doing and you are too old. And yes, you know what? That is harsh, but I'll take it. Well, I'll tell you one thing. I do know how to power on and off a device, and shocking, I know. And I can't be bothered because it involves 5 steps. I think I've done it differently before, and I pressed all the available buttons and then it worked, but today it doesn't work. I don't know why. And I'm getting bored of stuff that just simply doesn't work and is being labeled as pro or wants to be some sort of pro device. And let's park this for 1 second, because there's another side to the coin, right? Because all the people that are making these claims are basically people who are labeling themselves as reviewers or whatever it is, and they're actually not using the devices. They're looking at spec sheets and what have you. And it is no judgment. It is what it is. But these people don't really encounter what I have encountered. But let's take 1 step back and let's see what is so incredibly good about the Tab P12 Pro. Apparently so, and why it has the potential to beat the upcoming Tab S8. Apparently so. According to the listing, it comes with a Snapdragon 888 and 8 GB of RAM. What? There's more? No, there isn't. No, there isn't. No, it is. Okay. Apparently, it also comes with a pixel with a screen resolution of 1600 by 2560 with a pixel density of 240. Yeah, well, that's it. Shall I just make something up then, or what? Okay, by looking at the Tab 11 Pro, by the Tab 11P Pro, Tab P11 Pro, you know what I mean, it will most likely come with an OLED display, and it will come in between 11 and 12 inch if we go by what the Tab P11 Pro was, because if it is a true successor of that, then it should come in at 11.5 inch to be precise here. Okay, so having digested all the information thus far, I cannot see this being a competitor at all to the Tab S8, Tab S8 Plus, Tab S8 Ultra. Choose one. And I'm sorry, but hey, you know what? I am open-minded. So if you, Lenovo, or anybody else wants to send me one once it comes out, you know what? I will do it. Let's do it. Let's roll. Let's really have a look at it, and then let's see what it is all about. Because the listing itself suggests an imminent launch. If you go back again to the Tab P11 Pro, we know that it has been released last August. So the listing, the appearance of that very same listing for the Tab P12 Pro really could mean an imminent launch. And what I did notice though, in this period of time, usually it's really quiet. You have the Galaxy Unpacked event coming, and that's always happening in August, but the competition is really heating up, and I don't know why. What's up with Google and pre-announcing that Pixel 6? What now? We've seen pictures, and now what? You still have to announce it and show us and whatever. Is it because of the Galaxy Unpacked event next week that people are getting nervous? Usually that means if you get pushback of something like that happens, then you are on the right track. But I don't know. But what I do know, I will share with you right now. And this is my experience, and I'm not going to sugarcoat this for anybody out there. So I'm sorry if I offend anybody here. But the most reliable devices and or companies I have encountered over time time is number 1, Samsung, number 2, Apple. Every other device I have had issues. Basically broke down at one point in life, and it wasn't even like a year old or longer than that. My Pixel phone, some of them don't even work anymore, so I'm not going to buy the new Pixel phone. It doesn't matter what it looks like, and it doesn't matter what camera you put in. My Pixelbook Go just went black, never came back on, and it was just a couple of days out of warranty. So thank you, Google. Just lost $1,000 right here, right there. Microsoft Surface devices, and I love them. I do love them because somehow I'm drawn to this, but again, some of them failed on me. And when I say flaws, I don't mean any workarounds we can live with. I mean that the devices have been or have broken down. So what I'm trying to get at here is that I'm willing to consider the Tab P12 Pro, Lenovo Tab P12 Pro, as a worthy competitor to the upcoming Tab S8 if Lenovo starts fixing and getting their together. So if you are up for this tablet, you can buy it off me, and then you can buy it in FFBM mode. So whatever you want to do with it, you can reset it. And I can't be bothered to go through the steps right now. I wanted to do some B-roll shots, but I can't be bothered either. This is the Tab P11 Pro. So this is what it looks like. This is your B-roll for today. Every time I put on the device, I have an FFBM mode, a BS mode, whatever you want to call it. I have to reset this device. And it goes back to the Lenovo Duet Chromebook. I had the similar issue, not the same issues, similar issues. And it is all captured on videos, and I actually made a comparison there as well. But so far, I didn't have any fantastic experience with the Lenovo devices. So as long as that isn't fixed, I'm sorry guys, ain't gonna happen. Not in my house. So having said that, I am always excited to see new products and new releases. So if or when the Tab P12 Pro comes out, I'm gonna get it and we'll put it through the paces, and hopefully I won't see any modes or have to reset it. But guys, let me know which devices and or companies you prefer. Even if it is Lenovo, I want to know which device. Maybe I am just unlucky. I want to be fair here. It is my raw experience thus far, but let me know which devices and or companies you have had good experience with. So until next time, I miss you. Peace out.